In this course that is talking about OOP, Object-Oriented Programming, you will learn a lot of things. Okay, what will you learn? Look, this course is considered as the first step to the object-oriented programming. This is your first step because in this course we are explaining OOP, Object-Oriented Programming, from the ground. And we know there are a lot of concepts inside the OOP, the Object-Oriented Programming, and these concepts are really hard to understand and to imagine. But in this course, we will help you to take your first step into Object-Oriented Programming. We will learn a lot of things in the OOP, a lot of concepts, a lot of confusing concepts like what is a class, what is an object, what is an attribute, what is a behavior, and what is self, and a lot of things. And as you know, these concepts are confusing topics. But I promise you, you will understand everything about these topics and they will not be confusing anymore. And also we are explaining everything about object-oriented programming, the OOP, in a simple way to be understandable and easy to understand.